Hello guys, welcome to another time. Yes, this is Pascal. Today we're gonna beat Slap Tower 3. I will not use a public server. I'm gonna use a private server. Yeah. My game just crashed. You will not get the slap. It's long. Don't know. No! My game has been frozen. It crashed! Okay guys, I'm in the finale. No! So guys, I made that and it was off camera. Sorry guys, I can't show it because I forgot to record. Bye!